If you're looking for an easy way to track expenses in teamwork.com, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily manage your project expenses and keep everything organized within Teamwork's platform without the hassle. Whether you're managing a team or just handling your own tasks, teamwork.com can streamline the way you track costs, ensuring you're always on top of your budget. Now, Teamwork offers a feature called the Expenses section, which makes it simple to record and categorize costs for any project you're working on. To get started, first, make sure you're inside your project dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Expenses. Click on it and you'll be able to see all the costs associated with that project. Once you're in the Expenses section, you can easily add new expenses by clicking the Add Expense button. You'll be prompted to enter a few details like the expense type, amount, date, and a description if necessary. You can even add a receipt image, making sure your record is complete. This is especially useful if you're managing expenses across multiple team members or projects. It helps to have everything in one place. What's great about tracking expenses in Teamwork is the ability to categorize them. You can set categories like travel, materials, or software, so every cost you log is organized and easy to track. This makes generating reports at the end of a project much simpler. If you're managing multiple clients or departments, this feature becomes even more critical because you can keep everything segmented and under control. But there's more to it. Teamwork also allows you to set budgets for your projects, which means you can track your expenses against your planned budget in real time. If you're working on a project with a set financial limit, this feature lets you know if you're getting close to exceeding your budget. It's all about visibility and control, so you can make informed decisions before it's too late. Another handy feature is that Teamwork integrates expenses with time tracking. This means if you're tracking hours spent on a project and need to report on billable work, you can include those hours along with their respective costs. It's a seamless integration, saving you time and effort, and reducing the need to manually input data into other platforms. Now, you might be wondering how to view all your expenses in one place. Fortunately, Teamwork offers a very user-friendly reporting tool. You can generate an expense report by simply selecting the time frame and project, giving you a complete snapshot of your spending. Whether you need weekly, monthly, or custom date ranges, it's all just a few clicks away. Lastly, let's not forget the mobile app. If you're on the go, you can still track and manage your expenses from your phone, ensuring that no detail gets overlooked. This flexibility makes teamwork.com perfect for teams working in different locations or those managing multiple projects at once. If you haven't used teamwork.com yet, you can get started today with a completely free trial, including exclusive bonuses just for you. All you need to do is click the first link below to access it. Don't miss out on getting full access to this powerful project management tool and start tracking your expenses in teamwork.com effortlessly. Remember, this video has covered how to track your expenses in teamwork.com, but if you want to dive deeper into all its features, including how to manage budgets, integrate with other tools, and track your team's performance, you're going to want to stick around for our extended free trial link below.